Hi, my name's Stuart from Howard's Peugeot and Hyundai in Dorchester. I'm going to show you a short video of this 2017 on a 66 plate Hyundai Tucson 2-litre CIDI premium 4-drive 5-door. This particular car is an automatic and has only done just under 7,500 miles. Again, it's got the balance of the manufacturer's 5 years warranty remaining on it as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We're on London Road in Dorchester if you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066.